guys, Steven here with another OPGI product feature. Today we're looking at our 1966 to 1968 GTO Tempest and Lemans complete door shells by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Manufactured to factory specifications, each door shell comes complete with the outer door skin made of heavy 20-gauge steel, which is welded to the inner door sheet metal just like GM did years ago. All this allows for a smooth installation as it's ready to bolt up to the hinges right away. At the end of the production line, we finish each door shell with an electro deposit primer, also known as EDP coating. EDP coating helps protect against rust and corrosion and allows ample time for you to sand and paint your product without worrying about potential rust. We tested and featured this on our own in-house 1968 GTO many years later, and it still looks brand new and in showroom quality condition. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to follow us from our product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com.
Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.